What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your sales consultant here at Tomball Ford, and we are located in Tomball, Texas. Welcome to yet another video about dealership life. And today I'm gonna take you through my day, which hopefully we've got a few people scheduled up. So I'm gonna just share with you what I do on a daily basis. And let me share with you that we just got a shipment in. Check that out. We've got a Maverick, which has been sold out, Bronco Sport, another Maverick, and some Super Duties. I am getting ready to meet my first two clients at 10 a.m. I've got Terry and then I've got Felix. So let's get the show started and let me show you what we do in the life of a car salesman. So we got to truck number one, and this is one of the trucks that we're prepping today. It is a star white, beautiful platinum F-250 truck. And man, this guy has been super patient with us, and we have been waiting for a few months, maybe close to 7, on this bad boy to come in. So let's prep it. Now I want to show you, this is the other vehicle that we are prepping, but check this out. This is unique because it's got a manual transmission on this Badlands Edition Bronco. So yeah, this is another one that we have an opportunity to sell today. So let's get it nice and pretty so that the client likes it and takes it home. Okay, well, we got our first customer of the day. We are actually just doing a trade-in appraisal with Terry. He's got a vehicle on order and it should arrive here in a few days. And we're known to give quick appraisals, 15 minutes or less. So let's take care of this and get on with the day. 2009. 2009. Which engine do you have on this vehicle?
5.4.
5.4. And this is a Lariat and this is a long bed, 6.5 foot bed. About how many miles do you have on this truck?
154 and some change.
Yeah. The only downside to your truck is the Longhorn emblems in the back.
You know, I saw on your Facebook that you were an Aggie, but I'd look, at least you're not from Oklahoma.
Okay. All right, no, I'm just kidding with you. So just like that, we do an appraisal. We're gonna turn it in so that we can have one of my used car appraisers take a look at it and see how much we can give them for this truck. And I'm gonna do a little contest with you guys. If you can guess what we give this customer for this truck, I'm gonna give you a $25 Amazon gift card. You just need to make sure that you comment below and guess how much for a 2009 F-150 Lariat 2-wheel drive with 154,000 miles. And look at it, it looks in really, really good shape. So a few days ago, I sold a Ford Explorer to a previous customer. His name is Bob. So I'm gonna call him up to make sure that he's doing well. Hey, good morning, sir. This is Jorge Lopez from Tomball Ford, your best friend. How are you?
Second best. Best friend's my wife.
I'll take that. Bob, I just wanted to follow up with you just to make sure that everything is running great with that Ford Explorer. How's everything going so far?
Oh, good. Just like you said it would.
Okay, nice, nice. All right, Bob. Well, thank you again, man. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for giving us a shot to help you. Enjoy the rest of the day, okay?
Well, thank you, too, even though we decided just to say hello. Look what you did.
You should come say hello more often.
No, can't afford it.
Thank you, Bob. Have a blessed day.
You do the same. Hope you do. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, brother.
Bye.
Bye-bye. You see, this is why I love my job, because of people like this that are ecstatic, that are super happy. And he just came in to say hello to me, and after talking to him, he was not 100% happy with his current vehicle, and he gave me an opportunity to trade him out of that vehicle onto this new one. So, Bob, thank you so much. Hey, we have a deal. Yes. All right. Yep. So this is where the deals happen. In the sales tower. Hey, this is where the magic happens. This is where we basically work deals and helping my customers out. And we've got 2 happy customers that are just ecstatic because they're buying their F-150 and a Ford Bronco. So let's continue the day. It is about 2 o'clock already. Can't believe it. Time flies when you're having fun. So follow-up is extremely important. You have to make sure that you always call your customers back. I've got Father Charles, which is one of my previous customers I've had, and I think is interested in trading in his vehicle. So let's call him up and see if we can help him out. Let's see if he responds.
Father Charles speaking.
Hey, Father Charles, good morning, sir. This is Jorge Lopez over at Tomball Ford. How are you doing?
Fine, and you?
I've been doing excellent, sir. Nice to hear from you. Well, thank you very much for the opportunity. I heard your voicemail, and I think you might be interested in considering getting into another F-150. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. That's true.
Awesome. Well,
I see you have an antimatter blue. Is it a 22 or 23?
it is a 2022. Father Charles, are you looking for a 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive? Yes, Father Charles, I can confirm that truck is physically here, and that is a 2022, brand new. May I set you up with an appointment to see us at 11 o'clock on Monday?
11 o'clock on Monday is fine.
Absolutely. Sounds great. I'll look forward to it.
All right, see you then.
Thank you, Father Charles. Have a blessed day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So that's awesome. Following up is super important. Now, we are not helping this customer today or tomorrow, but hey, we got an appointment. We're going to put it in the system and get our day prepped up for that Monday. Wow, this first half was tough. We helped out actually 2 people. We talked to 3 people, so we closed. We were able to help 2 out of 3, and it is right at 4:30 in the afternoon. We were here early this morning, but the day is not done yet because we are going to be delivering this iconic silver Expedition to a customer paying cash, and so that should be a simple deal. But I'm very excited to deliver a freaking bat to the bone Bronco Raptor. And look at that beauty. And in black, these fenders really don't look that big, but the whole vehicle is just absolutely gorgeous. We actually did a video, a walk around video on the Bronco Raptor here, so I'm gonna link it in the description so that you can go and check it out. I encourage you to do so. So hopefully maybe one of these customers will come on camera. If not, no big deal, but yep, I'm excited to deliver a Bronco Raptor. So we are concluding today's day, and I am happy to report that this guy right there is going home finally. I was meeting up with one of my previous customers, and I'm inviting him to frame right now. His name is Greg. Greg, thank you, man.
You bet.
Thank you for allowing us to help you on that beautiful beast of a truck, the Ford Bronco Raptor. And where is this guy going to, Greg?
It's gonna go to the trails. That's what we're doing.
Yes.
Trails.
And you're not afraid to go to trails?
No, not at all.
I was going
There
to,
you
right?
go. I'll send you some more pictures too.
Awesome.
All
well,
right.
thank you again, man. Enjoy it, and thank you for the opportunity to help you.
All right, thanks, Jorge.
All right, see ya. Well, it is almost 7 p.m. on this evening, and we are now concluding today's day. We were able to help 5 people today, and I know we didn't get all of them in camera, but trust me, I walked a lot. I think, let's see, I clocked in not too much, 14,000 steps. Well, hey, listen, my name is Jorge Lopez, and I am your sales consultant here at Tomball Ford. And if you are in ever a need for a Ford vehicle, it would be my pleasure to help you out. Please subscribe and like and share this video if this content is of interest to you. Other than that, on to the next video. Have a blessed day.